Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Rosemary, and in this video I'll be showing you how I did the half up half down hairstyle using crochet curls. I used Shine and Gem crochet curls. I never used this hair or seen it before, so if you can't find it, you can use any crochet curls. So after unraveling, it looks like that, and then this is the packaging. I also used a wool or yarn for the African threading, and then I also used a crochet to install the hair. I will start by sectioning the hair into 2 sections, and then the front will have 3 sections. If you want to learn how to braid more hairstyles and DIYs, please consider subscribing, leave a like and comment. I will then section the blocks accordingly for the African threading hairstyle or Ben and Betty, and then I will use 2 strands of the wool or yarn, and then make sure that I do not leave any space while threading. So after that, I'll just tie and then move to the next block and do the same thing. So for the middle line, I did some decorations. I sectioned 3 lines, and then the middle one I did the cornrows, and then the side ones I decided to do the crisscross so that I can, decorate. And then I'll just demonstrate how I did it, and then you can follow along. So at the back I did some straight cornrows, and then I will cut the ends of the fiber, then unravel it carefully so. When I do the crochet method, I will tie the hair more than once to prevent unraveling. Please note that at the back I will crochet the curls with space in between, or rather not close to each other, so that I do not overload the back. I will use a different method to hide the crochet knots, so please keep watching to see how I did it. At the front, I will decrease the thickness of the curls and crochet them very close to each other. As you can see on the right hand side, you can hardly see that there are some additions using a crochet. And please note that I will only tie the hair once so that the knot will not show. And then, well, this will take some time, but perfection and patience goes hand in hand. And you can have a look at how I do it, and the results will tell. So here I'm just gonna make sure that everything is aligned, and in the same level, and then after that I'll just use the hem use to define the curls. And this is how it looks like after completing all the steps. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and also subscribe. If you don't mind, you can also share with other sisters who may like this video. I will see you on the next one.